Have you ever downloaded a game or application, only to find that Windows Defender automatically deletes it or blocks the installation? Don't worry. In this video I'll show you several safe ways to stop Windows Defender from blocking trusted games and applications in Windows 11. Let's get started. Follow on-screen instruction. Windows Defender is Microsoft's built-in antivirus. It protects your PC from viruses, malware, Trojan programs, ransomware, potentially unwanted applications. Sometimes Defender mistakenly detects trusted games, trainers, mods, cracked software, or custom applications as threats. This is called a false positive. If you trust the source of the file, you can safely allow it. Only do this for software downloaded from trusted websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows Server, Active Directory, PowerShell, Microsoft 365, Docker, Proxmox, and Enterprise IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, Server, PowerShell, and IT tutorials. See you in the next video.